Do not finalize a hair transplant for your hair loss treatment till you answer these 7 questions. My name is Dr. Amit. I'm a plastic surgeon and one of the most experienced hair transplant surgeons in Delhi. If you're confused about your hair transplant plan, if you're confused between grafts and follicles, FUE, FUT, I think you need to watch this. The next 90 seconds may change your life. Now, the first question. Do you really need a hair transplant? Is it possible that you undergo a hair analysis test and we may actually tell you that you can manage without a hair transplant and some medical treatments may just be sufficient? Are you sure that the doctor who's going to do your hair transplant is the preferred doctor? Are you sure he's not just an MBBS doctor or a homeopath physician, perhaps an Ayurveda doctor or a dentist? Do you think that a plastic surgeon will do a better job for you? Are you aware that in India, only plastic surgeons are allowed to do hair transplant procedures? The Medical Council of India says this. So, are you sure that that doctor is the perfect choice for you? Are you sure that you are being given what you want and not what the clinic is giving you? Are you sure that the coverage or the density that they are promising is going to be adequate for you? Do you think that perhaps someone with a better experience, such as a well-experienced plastic surgeon, may be able to give you a better plan, a better density and a better coverage? Has this started to make you feel and think a little more? Are you sure you know the difference between grafts and follicles? Are you sure you're not being led for a ride by being confused between grafts and follicles? I'm sure you know the questions to these above answers. So let me ask just 3 more questions. Have you been told by your chosen clinic that the hair transplant procedure that they do is a scarless one? Do you know that every hair transplant procedure leaves some scar, whether it's a dot or whether it's a line, and if you shave, trust me, every hair transplant procedure, it's visible. These scars on the back of the head are clearly visible. So please do not believe anyone who says that their hair transplant procedure is entirely scarless. Are you sure you're going to be given a personalized follow-up for the next 10 years? Have you had a hair analysis? Now, if these questions have just stopped and you have been forced to think, I think you need to WhatsApp us. You need to call us on 9811994417. Call us for a line of treatment test and to know about the latest techniques that we have. It's your hair, your life, your health, and our promise.